Hello and welcome to this new video on how to withdraw from MetaMask. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your MetaMask interface, and when you're inside the MetaMask interface, you just have to choose the coin or the NFTs or the tokens that you want to withdraw. So currently I don't have any coins or NFTs, but if you add, then you can withdraw it by the following processes. So firstly, you just need to look on the top navigation bar and you just need to click on that send button, and send to text or send to interface will be appeared right in front of your screen. And when you're inside this screen, now you just have to go to the next web page and open your Binance, or any other website can also work similar to Binance. So when you're inside the Binance, you just have to look on the top right hand side, there will be a deposit button. So you just have to click on that deposit button, and inside the deposit button a sidebar will appear. So you just have to click on deposit crypto, and deposit crypto section will be appeared right in front of you. Now you just have to select the coin. So any tokens or coin that you want to deposit, you just have to click on that or enter that coin. And in order to select network, you just have to go to your MetaMask and see under which network you have bought that particular coin. Currently I am on PS network, so I will just enter the network name as PS network, and deposit address I just have to enter the deposit address. And after that I need to go to the MetaMask and I need to enter the public address of the Binance, and I'll be able to send from MetaMask to Binance, and I'll be able to deposit in Binance from this following method. So this is how to withdraw from MetaMask. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.